Okay, Abby is looking and looking at her toys. She is looking all around at her stuff. Abby, what do you see? What do you see, Alligator? You see your octopus? He's got a rattle. He's got a rattle. Yeah, he's got a rattle. Do you see the turtle? Oh, I see fishes. Oh. Oh, what do you see, Alligator? Let me see stuff. Yeah, and she makes sounds. She's making all kinds of sounds. Oh. Oh, Abby, what do you see, huh? What do you see, Pumpkin? What do you see? You see your turtle? You see your turtle? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. I'm moving all around. Are you moving all around? Mommy forgets when she takes video she can't go sideways like that. You hear the music on your little thing? What is that? Oh. Oh, you're sliding off your pillow. You're sliding off your pillow. Where are you going? What do you see, huh? What do you see, Alligator? What do you see? You want no pillow? You want to try to roll? Abby likes to try to roll too. She likes to try to roll. Yes, she does. She likes to try to roll. Yeah? Okay. Look at your mirror. You see Abby in the mirror? You see Abby in the mirror? Who's that baby in the mirror? That's Abby. Okay. Okay, cutie pie. Say bye-bye.